Repeating, tornado watch number 170 has been issued. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Angelina County in eastern Texas until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Diboll, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Diboll, Huntington, and Homer. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for eastern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Angelina, Texas,